How to curate a life-altering reading list. Books have the power to transform our lives. The correct reading list can broaden perspectives, challenge beliefs, inspire action, and even provide a roadmap for achieving personal and professional goals. However, with millions of books available, curating a reading list that genuinely resonates with your aspirations requires intention and strategy. In this guide, we'll explore how to identify the books that will have the most significant impact on your life, organize them effectively, and approach reading as a tool for transformation. By the end, you'll have a transparent process for curating and using a life-altering reading list to unlock your full potential. Why reading can transform your life. 1. Expands knowledge and perspective. Books expose you to new ideas, cultures, and ways of thinking. They challenge your worldview and encourage intellectual growth. Example, reading *Sapiens* by Yuval Noah Harari can help you understand the history of humanity and the forces shaping modern society. 2. Inspires action. Great books motivate you to take steps toward personal or professional improvement. Example, *Atomic Habits* by James Clear offers actionable advice for building habits that lead to long-term success. 3. Strengthens emotional resilience. Reading about others' experiences, challenges, and triumphs fosters empathy and guides you in navigating your struggles. Example, memoirs like *Becoming* by Michelle Obama inspire resilience through stories of overcoming adversity. 4. Encourages self-reflection. Books often serve as mirrors, helping you examine your values, behaviors, and goals. Example, *The Alchemist* by Paulo Coelho prompts readers to reflect on their purpose and pursue their dreams. Step 1. Define your purpose for reading. To curate a life-altering reading list, start by identifying your goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to learn? Example, I want to improve my leadership skills. What challenges am I facing? Example, I'm struggling with work-life balance and need time management guidance. What inspires me? Example, stories of personal growth and resilience inspire me. Clarifying your purpose will guide your book selection and ensure your reading list aligns with your aspirations. Step 2. Identify categories that matter to you. Create categories based on areas of interest or growth. Examples include 1. Personal development books that help you build better habits, improve productivity, and enhance emotional intelligence. Examples, *The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People* by Stephen Covey. Grit by Angela Duckworth. 2. Professional growth books that provide insights into your field, leadership, or entrepreneurship. Examples, *Leaders Eat Last* by Simon Sinek. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. 3. Fiction with meaning novels that explore profound themes and offer life lessons. Examples, *To Kill a Mockingbird* by Harper Lee. *The Kite Runner* by Khaled Hosseini. 4. Biographies and memoirs. Learn from the experiences of influential figures. Examples, *Steve Jobs* by Walter Isaacson. Educated by Tara Westover. 5. Philosophy and spirituality books that explore existential questions and inner growth. Examples, *Meditations* by Marcus Aurelius. *The Power of Now* by Eckhart Tolle. 6. Science and history books that deepen your understanding of the world. Examples, *A Brief History of Time* by Stephen Hawking. Guns, Germs, and Steel by Jared Diamond. Step 3. Research and curate recommendations. Since you've identified categories, begin gathering book recommendations. Use a mix of sources. 1. Bestseller lists. Explore lists like the New York Times bestsellers, Amazon's charts, or Goodreads Choice Awards to discover popular titles. 2. Thought leaders and experts. Look for book recommendations from leaders in your field or influencers whose values align with yours. Example, Bill Gates often shares his favorite books on technology, science, and education. 3. Friends and mentors. Ask people you admire about books that have impacted their lives. 4. Online community and book clubs, forums, or groups on Reddit or Goodreads to find curated lists and discussions. 5. Book reviews and summary. Read reviews and summaries to ensure a book aligns with your interests before committing to it. Step 4. Organize your reading list. Once you've gathered a pool of potential books, organize your list for easy access and prioritization. 1. Categorize your books. Group books by topic or theme to ensure variety in your reading. 2. Create a priority system. Rank books based on their relevance to your current goals. Start with titles that address immediate needs or spark the most curiosity. Example, label books as immediate, next up, and future reads. 3. Use a tracking system. Keep track of your reading progress using tools like Goodreads. Organize your list, track completed books, and set reading goals. Digital note apps. Use Notion or Evernote to create a digital reading list. Step 5. Approach reading intentionally to make the most of your curated list. Approach reading as a deliberate practice. 1. Schedule reading time and dedicate specific times for reading, whether 20 minutes in the morning or an hour before bed. Consistency is key. 2. Take notes. Write down key insights, quotes, and takeaways as you read. Use sticky notes, a notebook, or digital apps. 3. Apply what you learn. Put insights into action by incorporating them into your daily life or work. Example, if you read about time management, implement strategies like blocking or the Pomodoro technique. 4. Reflect on each book. After finishing a book, spend time reflecting on how it impacted you. Ask yourself, what did I learn? How can I apply this to my life? Examples of life-altering books to inspire your reading list. Here are examples of transformative books across various categories. Personal Development: Atomic Habits by James Clear. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a FCAC by Mark Manson. Professional Growth: Deep Work by Cal Newport. The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. Fiction with Meaning: 1984 by George Orwell. Life of Pi by Ian Martell. Biographies and Memoirs: Becoming by Michelle Obama. Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. Philosophy and Spirituality: The Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. Science and History: Homo Deus by Yuval Noah Harari. The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks by Rebecca Skloot. Overcoming Challenges in Curating and Reading. 1. Overwhelmed by Coisa Solution: Focus on a few high-priority categories and start with one book per category. 2. Lack of Time: A Solution: Use audiobooks during commutes or downtime to fit reading into a busy schedule. 3. Losing Interest Mid-Book Solution: It's okay to stop reading a book if it doesn't resonate. Move on to another title that sparks curiosity. 4. Retentionist Solution: Take notes and summarize key points to reinforce understanding and memory. The long-term benefits of curating a reading list. 1. Enhance knowledge: A well-curated reading list broadens your understanding across various domains. 2. Improve decision-making: Books offer insights that can guide choices in personal and professional life. 3. Greater empathy: Reading diverse perspectives fosters understanding and compassion. 4. Increased inspiration: Life-altering books motivate you to pursue growth and action. 5. Structured growth: A curated list ensures your reading aligns with your long-term goals. Key takeaways: 1. Define your purpose: Understand why you want to read and what you hope to gain. 2. Identify categories: Focus on areas of interest like personal development, professional growth, and fiction. 3. Curate thoughtfully: Research recommendations and prioritize books that align with your goals. For .be intentional: Schedule reading time, take notes, and apply lessons. 5. Adapt your list: Revisit and refine your reading list as your interests and goals evolve. Conclusion: Curating a life-altering reading list is a powerful way to invest in yourself. You can unlock new perspectives, skills, and opportunities by selecting books that align with your aspirations, organizing them effectively, and approaching reading with intention. Start today by identifying one area you want to grow in, selecting a book from that category, and committing to the transformative journey of reading.